What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have a new portable monitor from QQH. Actually, I have been using this portable monitor for the past couple of weeks, and yeah, this one is a bit different than any other portable monitor because this one comes with a kickstand, this one is built with very light materials, and this one weighs as little as 1.5 pounds. Can you imagine? This one is a 15.6 inch portable monitor. This one isn't a tiny little monitor. This is a 15.6 inch monitor which supports 1080p FHD plus video resolution, and yeah, definitely supports HDR output, and weighs only 1.5 pounds. So yeah, this is one of the lightest portable monitors that I have ever used. But if you know me, then you know me. I will not fall for like a 0.3 inch thickness or 1.5 pounds weight. Yeah, this one is very slim, only 0.3 inches. But personally, I only care about three things. Number one, performance. Number two, convenience. And number three, peace of mind. That means customer support. Well, let's start from unboxing and we will check how good is the performance, what type of convenience this one has added to my life, and what type of convenience you will get from this one. And finally, we will talk about the customer support and the brand QQH. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. There is an international smartphone giveaway going on this channel. I will give away a smartphone to one of my lucky subscribers. What you have to do to join this giveaway is to be active on this channel. If you want to know more about this giveaway, go ahead, check the community tab of this channel. It's time to unwrap our QQH portable monitor. Here is the box of QQH portable monitor, high definition multimedia interface, and well, QQH has actually printed the specifications at the back. Net weight 1.5 pounds, visual area, screen size, panel type. Yeah, it's a IPS LCD panel. Aspect ratio, resolution, display color, color temperature. It's good to see that this one supports 6.8K color temperature. Yeah, really, it's very useful while I do some video editing on Final Cut Pro or do some photo editing on Photoshop. Visual angle 85 degree by 85 degrees. So yeah, this one actually works pretty fine. And look at this contrast ratio. It's 1000 to 1. There is another thing I like about this portable monitor is this one comes with a lot of ports. We will talk about the ports later. And if you wanna know about the speakers, yeah, this one comes with a built-in stereo speaker setup. There are two 1-watt speakers at the rear panel of this portable monitor. After opening the top lid, there is a very nice user manual. There are a lot of illustrations. Everything is written clearly. Actually, they have printed a lot of illustrations, so maybe you won't even need to read. You will understand everything by going through the illustrations. They have also added a fast devices connecting guide. So yeah, if you follow these guides, you'll be able to connect this portable monitor with any laptops, computers, smartphones, gaming consoles, or even with iOS and iPad OS. So yeah, it's great. As I mentioned earlier, look at this. This one comes with a kickstand, and they have even written or shown that how to use the kickstand. Great. Underneath the paperwork, here comes our QQH portable monitor. Let's put the portable monitor aside and let's check what other things we have got inside the box. Inside the box, QQH has provided a 12-watt charging brick, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a HDMI to mini HDMI cable, and a USB-C to USB-C data cable, which can be used to connect this portable monitor with any USB-C based laptops or smartphones. Here is our QQH portable monitor. Look at the thickness. Wow, it's really very thin. And as this one comes with matte anti-glare screen, I really have felt very nice even working in my studio under very heavy studio lighting. There is almost no reflection. There is nothing on the left side. It's the same for the top. There is nothing on the top. The bottom is also a clean slate, and that means all the ports and buttons are on the right side. There is a power button, a menu button, a dialer to go through all the menus. There is a USB-C port. This port can be used to power this monitor. There is a mini HDMI port and a USB 3.1 port. I'm really very happy to see they have even added a 3.5mm port. So yeah, even if our laptop or tablet or smartphone doesn't come with a 3.5mm port, we can still use a 3.5mm port through this portable monitor. That's really a very good thing. At the back, on the rear panel, there are two speakers. These are 1 watt each speakers and generates a very good stereo sound effect. I really like that this portable monitor comes with a very sturdy kickstand. So I don't have to look for a stand or a mount. Like sometimes I take this one outside to a coffee shop or somewhere. If this one didn't come with this sturdy kickstand, then it would be very difficult for me to use this one outside in some open environment, like in a coffee shop or in some other places where it's very difficult to find a stand or mount. Kudos to QQH. They have actually thought about every use case scenarios and made life easy. If you are worried that the kickstand can only put this one in horizontal position, no, this one can also put this one in vertical position. And we can actually select the angle. There is a very wide coverage of angle either in vertical or in horizontal position. So this is really a great thing. And I really like that the bezels are very thin. There isn't a very wide, thick bezel. So yeah, it's very easy when we work. Also, I'm very happy to see that they have used the correct font, which got blended. One more time, this one is built with very light materials, yet this one is very sturdy. We have checked unboxing, Outlook, appearance, build quality, and yeah, for Outlook and appearance, I would give 8 out of 10. Build quality 9 out of 10. Now let's check performance. How is the performance? Let's try to connect this one with my iPad Pro M2. Let's see how easy it is to connect and to use. Well, here you can see I have connected this QQH portable monitor with my iPad Pro M2 Pro, and I'm really very surprised to see that this one can actually reproduce the correct colors. Color reproduction is almost as natural as it is on my iPad Pro M2 Pro. That's amazing. A lot of people, a lot of tech reviewers have praised, even I love my MacBook Pro M1 Max laptop because that one comes with a very good display panel. And you know what? The output and color reproduction of this QQH portable monitor is almost as good as that one. Yeah, I cannot say that this one is better than that, but if you want something similar, then this QQH portable monitor is one of the best. There is no other portable monitor which could reproduce similar color which matches to iPad Pro M2 Pro or MacBook Pro M1 Max. That's a very big thing. That's really a super awesome thing. Well, before I connect this portable monitor with my other devices, let me tell you something. As I have been using this one for the past couple of weeks, I have noticed something. Like even if this one is an IPS LCD panel, this IPS LCD panel is one of the best. Only some other very expensive laptops comes with this type of IPS LCD panel. I'm not only talking about color reproduction, I'm also talking about HDR output, low blue light eye care, and many other options. This one is feature packed and definitely comes with one of the best IPS LCD panels in its segment. I am super surprised by its performance. Another thing is this one is plug and play. You actually don't have to use external power if you don't need it. If you are using this QQH 15.6 inch portable monitor with a tablet or a laptop, then you actually don't need to add external power. But if you're using this one with a smartphone, then maybe you need that. But altogether, the main point is this one is a plug and play device. I've already shown that only one cable connection with my iPad Pro M2 Pro works perfectly okay. Let me show you one more time with my Microsoft Surface Book Pro. Here is my QQH portable monitor. Only one cable is connected to its USB 3.1 port, and here is my Microsoft Surface Book Pro. Let's connect using this single USB-C cable. So here is my Microsoft Surface Book Pro, and here is my QQH 15.6 inch portable monitor. I have connected this one through only one USB-C cable. But remember one thing, I have noticed that some people use some cables which doesn't support at least 5 gigabit data transfer rate. Then you may not be able to get HDR output or video output. You need to use a proper cable. As QQH actually offers a cable inside the box, I recommend that you use that one. But I'm super surprised and satisfied with color reproduction. with color temperature. Look at this. This is amazing. Well, I have already shown how to connect with iPad. iPad comes with iPad OS, and I have also shown that it's easy to connect with my Microsoft Surface Book Pro, which runs on Windows. So let me tell you clearly, this portable monitor from QQH actually supports Windows, Android, Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, Chrome OS, and many other OS that you don't even know about. This one supports almost all the popular operating systems. So yeah, you are definitely covered. This one will work with almost all the devices and gadgets. Talking about devices and gadgets, I have even used this one with my PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, and many other gaming consoles. And these days, it's more like I would play my games, when I'm using this Nintendo Switch, and then I would just connect my QQH portable monitor with this Nintendo Switch and use with this one. That's really a very nice thing, because this way gaming became more enjoyable, more delightful. Now finally, let's connect this one with my MacBook Pro M1 Max. Yeah, there are two options to connect a QQH portable monitor with a MacBook Pro M1 Max. As MacBook Pro M1 Max comes with a HDMI port, I would recommend that you connect this one through the HDMI port. And talking about HDMI port, this ultra portable monitor comes with many different ports. I have already shown that, and as this one has both the USB-C 3.1 and HDMI port, you can actually connect this one with a variety of devices, with any devices which comes with the HDMI port. Any laptops, any computers, any gaming consoles, almost anything. I don't want to get tired by talking about this, because if I start talking about compatibility, that will take long time. This one is compatible with almost all the devices, which comes with a USB-C 3.1 port with display output or with a HDMI port. Well, I'm really super surprised by the display performance of this QQH portable monitor. This one can even compete with the display panel of MacBook Pro M1 Max. I have no words to describe how good is this one. You actually have to experience the display performance of this QQH portable monitor by yourself. If you're either into video editing, photo editing, or whatever you do, this one will provide you the best performance. Staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. As this portable monitor from QQH comes with a stereo speaker setup, let's listen to some music and then you decide how good is the performance. I would say this one comes with a pretty decent stereo speaker setup, one of the best in its class. Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Well, that's all about this QQH portable monitor, and yeah, I really love this one. I have a lot of different portable monitors. I have even reviewed some. Some of the portable monitors actually belong to premium flagship category. Some of the portable monitors belong to budget category, and within $100 price segment, I think this one is the best. If you really want to get the best HDR output, and if you really want to carry around your portable monitor, then I don't think there is any other actual competitor is available on the market. Well, as usual, I have bought this product and I have left the link in the description box below from where I have bought this product. You may go ahead and buy from that link, but I don't care about affiliations, so I have no affiliation with this brand or the link. If you want to buy this product, you can buy from anywhere. It depends on you. I'm here to share my honest opinion. QQH portable monitor is one of the best in its class. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.